Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate how to change batteries on latest proximity. Key fob. This starts from 2016 roughly, like Ford Galaxy, Ford Mondeo, Ford Edge, Ford Explorer, and the majority of new Ford models. So guys, to change the battery on this fob, we need few things, which are CR2025 coin batteries, one flathead small screwdriver, and one coin which should be a one penny or 1 cent coin. As you can see on the back of this fob, there is a button and it has a space. Use your nail and slide it down. As it's open, you're gonna see there's an actual key inside it. You can use this key to, in a case of emergency, if your battery dies and you're not able to open with a button, so you open this fob and take this key out, and you can open your lock for the car, and you can get the access inside the car. So we're gonna hold the key fob like this and place the coin inside it, and make sure it's a really delicate part, and you see, if you're not gonna be careful, you can break it. And turn the coin clockwise and anti-clockwise, you're gonna hear the clicking noise. That means it's open. Lift the battery casing, and as you can see, the negative side is on the top, and get the screwdriver and take the first battery out. If you're gonna just pull it, it's gonna come out. That's the first battery, and there is a paper under it, so take it away. And the other battery is the positive side is on the top side, and take the both batteries out and replace them. And look, that's positive, where the writing is a positive side. The first battery should be facing positive upside, and take this one and slide in and press it down. It's gonna fix. And put the paper on top of it, and then put the second battery, and see the positive side of that battery where the plus sign is gonna facing downward, and just press it, and as the battery went inside. Now you have to close it and see, that's a place where it's gonna go, and there are few brackets which gonna be placing first, then press it down. Now you're gonna hear the clicking sound again, and that's closed. And that's great. And I can see the car and the locks are working. And see, place this key inside again, and put the back cover on it, and there you go. And see, there is a lock here. It gonna go first in, and slide in, then press it down. And see, slide this button with your nail, slide it down, and it's gonna close. And thank you very much for your time, and please like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you.